Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to replace Subaru Outback windshield wipers. First, gather your new wiper blades and a soft towel. Make sure your vehicle is parked on a level surface with the ignition off for safety. Knowing the correct blade length for both the driver and passenger sides is crucial for proper fit and function. This simple task can significantly improve your driving visibility and safety in various weather conditions. Now, let's remove the old wiper blades. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. Be careful not to let it snap back. Locate the small tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab and slide the old blade off the hook. You might need to wiggle it slightly. Place the towel on the windshield to protect it. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Once both new blades are attached, carefully lower each wiper arm back onto the windshield. Do this slowly to avoid any damage. Finally, let's test your new wipers. Turn on your vehicle and activate the windshield washer fluid. Observe the wipers as they move across the glass, ensuring they operate smoothly and clear the windshield without leaving streaks. If you notice any issues, double-check the installation. Remember to replace your wiper blades regularly, typically every 6 to 12 months, for optimal visibility and safety.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.